welcome to the Sunday midday edition for all you readers. We are bringing you saree drapes this week. How to accentuate your existing sarees in your wardrobe and how to make them look better is what I'm going to start with. That's the saree I'm going for. Yes, it's a typical wedding saree with lots of glitter and lots of work. I'm going to start with a regular drape, a navy drape that we start with. Okay, ensure that the bottom is just grazing your feet. I have tucked in the regular navy drape. Till here, everything remains the same. Yeah. Now, what I have done is I have pleated up the palla. And it goes right here on your left shoulder. Ensure that you have a nice length of the palla pleated so that when you're taking the saree ahead and tucking it over here, you know how much do you need. So this is going to leave a little bit of a cowl behind. If you want a lesser cowl, then let this go a little lower. But that totally depends upon you and your body type and your confidence levels. So here we are. I'm comfortable with this length. So first we are going to do the pleats of the remaining fabric over here. Make tiny pleats so that it's not very bulky and yet it gives you a nice flare. You can make pleats however you want, however you are comfortable with. What you need to ensure is that the pleats are in line with your belly button. Okay, so I'm going to tuck these in, check them, give them a little shake, and tuck them in. Take a safety pin and secure your pleats so that that flare is maintained. It's a heavy saree, so I definitely recommend using a safety pin to secure your pleats. Otherwise, it's going to go all the way around. If you're not comfortable going back, all the way back for pinning up your palla, it's okay to pin it up here as well for this drape. Once this is in place, we get the palla ahead, keep it over here, pin it up right over here. You can pin it up from the outside as well, it's not going to be seen. As you can see, I'm pinning it up from the outside. Once this part is done, you need to secure it over here on the other side of blouse so that it gives you a nice straight look. This one goes on the inside, ensure it's nice and taut. Yeah, and I get a nice little cowl behind, just enough for me. What you can do is you can take the cowl and straighten it up a little bit and put a pin over here so that it's not dangling. It's completely okay to let it be as is and not use a pin there. And even if you don't use it, you're still going to be hands-free. As you can see, the drape is completely hands-free for your evening, for your weddings, or any great celebrations. How did you like this particular drape, guys? Nice. Shows off the palla, shows off the border, and gives you a nice hands-free evening, stress-free evening. I'm going to accessorize it with a bangle and some jhumkas.